Is snoring healthy? That's a question that may have crossed your mind, especially when it's been a long night and the sound of your own or a loved one's snoring has kept you awake. Many people have long held the belief that snoring is merely a harmless, albeit annoying, part of sleep. However, recent research findings suggest that snoring could be a sign of underlying health concerns. Studies conducted over the past few years indicate that snoring is often a symptom of sleep apnea, a condition characterized by repeated stops and starts in breathing during sleep. This condition, left untreated, can lead to serious health risks such as hypertension, heart disease, and even stroke. Furthermore, research also shows that snoring can lead to a decrease in the quality of sleep, leading to daytime fatigue, irritability, and decreased concentration. This is because the act of snoring often disrupts the natural sleep cycle, preventing you from achieving deep, restful sleep. But it's not all doom and gloom. Snoring isn't always an indication of a serious health problem. Sometimes it's simply a result of being in a certain sleep position, or due to lifestyle choices like smoking or alcohol consumption. So, if you or a loved one snores, it's important not to ignore it. Instead, take it as a sign that your body might be trying to tell you something. Consider seeking medical advice if you notice snoring accompanied by other symptoms like excessive daytime sleepiness, difficulty concentrating, morning headaches, or witnessed breathing pauses during sleep. To summarize, snoring is not inherently unhealthy, but it can be a symptom of more serious health conditions like sleep apnea. It's important to pay attention to your body and seek medical advice if necessary. Remember, your health is paramount, and understanding the signs your body sends you, even something as seemingly benign as snoring, can go a long way in maintaining it. So, next time you hear a snore, take a moment to consider what it might mean. It might just be a simple snore, or it could be your body's way of telling you that something more serious is going on. Stay attuned to your body, listen to its signals, and take action when needed. Because when it comes to health, it's better to be safe than sorry.